Fishing and farming have been the mainstay of the Alau community for centuries. All year round, farming and fishing stimulate the local economy. But perhaps even more essential for the community's existence is the Alau Dam's water supply. In the early hours of Tuesday, 10th September 2024, the Alau Dam collapsed.
For the dam constructed as far back as 1984, now the failure is manifesting. Maintenance may have been an issue.
The Borno State government said the flood affected 2 million people.
Rashin ruwa mun sha wahalan shi. Yau wata 5 zuwa 6. Ga yara suna yi da bokiti har muka gagara.
The roads were cut totally. Water pipes, the large pipes were also, broken.
For the Alau community, reconstructing this dam means rebuilding the lost glory of fishing and farming. The commitment to the Alau Dam project will be a test of the veracity of the social contract between government and citizens of Nigeria.